Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all doing well. You and your families are safe and healthy at home, and I hope that you're doing okay during this troubling time. I know it can be very stressful. Today's video I have my FabFitFun Spring unboxing for you. As always, I would really appreciate it if you guys liked this video, just telling me to make more content like this. And also subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot. Thank you so much. And let's just get into the video. And I'll try to be filming more often, so if you have any video requests, please let me know underneath. Thank you so much, guys. So here's what the box looks like. It is my spring FabFitFun. It's huge. Again, it's super hard to fit the whole thing in the camera. Here are some coupons. I'll bring them closer so you can see. This is for Bright Cellars wine, it looks like, and this is the coupon here. Next is for HelloFresh. They usually always have a HelloFresh coupon, and this one is for Bite Me. It's for some sort of teeth straightening service. Magazine here. It's with Gina Rodriguez this month, and as always, I'll go through every item. I'm an annual subscriber, so I get to pick 5, so I'll let you know which ones I picked and which ones were not a choice for me. And just let me know underneath, what did you guys get in your spring box? First item here, it's this set of 3 West Elm Indigo tie-dye bowls. I got these bowls previously in another box, and I absolutely love them for snacks and yogurt and stuff like that. They're so cute. So I chose to get another set because I find with bowls you can never have too many. If you break one or something, then you have an extra set. And I'm just gonna see if I can open it for you guys. This is what they look like. So this is what they look like. They're beautiful bowls and they're stackable all together. So they stack all together, which is perfect. So I already know that I love those, so that's why I chose another one. The next thing I didn't pick, but I'm super happy with, it's this Deep Sleep Body Cocoon by This Works. It says you're supposed to use it before bedtime. It has essential oils, shea butter, a camellia, lavender, castor oil, so it seems super hydrating, and also I love essential oils. You guys already know that. So I'm actually super happy to get this. I think everyone has a little bit of trouble sleeping these days, so it's nice to have something that calms you down before bed. I'll start using this right away and let you guys know how it turns out. The next I chose, again, it's this Cosmetics Pure C. It's a powder vitamin C that you add into your moisturizers. I've tried this already and I have a review coming on it, but I do really like it, so I figured I would get another one, and it's quite an expensive vitamin C. The packaging though is really cheap, I'm not gonna lie. It's hard to open. Even with a knife or something, it's like really hard to open it appropriately, and it looks quite flimsy and cheap of packaging, but the product inside is really good. So I love that. That's another one I chose. And then I also chose this Aveda Damage Remedy. I have a review coming for this for you guys as well. I really like it. I find it detangles my hair well, and I put it on damp hair after I've shampooed and everything, and it just makes my hair really moisturized and detangled. It's supposed to help with repair and protect from styling, so I always need that. So I love that. The next thing I chose as well, it's this Love Script Body Wash Shower Gel. The scent of it is Orange Blossom, and I just always use shower gels. I love that. So, and it's shower gels and cleansers is something that you go through pretty fast. So I figured why not get another one. So I chose this and I love this as well. Sorry for the lighting if the lighting's going in and out. It's just a really cloudy day today. So hopefully it doesn't look too bad on camera. Sorry guys. We haven't gotten much sun, which is not helping things. Helping the situation of everything going on either. It doesn't help with your mood. The next thing that I picked as well is this Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. I'll have to try this and let you guys know. It says a fast-acting treatment with a topical filler-like effect. Plump skin surface to minimize the look of lines and wrinkles after just one use. Formulated with collagen, amino acids, this treatment smooths and visibly revolumizes skin while winged kelp helps restore youthful firmness. And it says reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in 2 hours. So that's a pretty big claim. So I'll have to try this and do a review on it for you guys. If you want me to review anything in this box first, just let me know. And the next thing that I got was not a choice. It's this here, these reusable straws that are silicone. So this I'm not too excited about. I honestly don't use straws that much, like especially when I'm at home and stuff. I just drink from a glass or a mug. I don't use a straw because I think it can make like fine lines around your smile lines more pronounced. But I will probably just give this away either in a giveaway or to my mom or friends. Just because I know I won't use it, and I actually got straws in another subscription box too, so it seems to be the trend, and those ones are nicer. They're like stainless steel, so I don't have any use for these, but I'll just gift them to someone. And then I didn't pick this as well, this Pure Lease Energizing Watermelon 2-minute Peel. Sorry, it's so hard for it to pick up there. It's an Asian Beauty product, Watermelon Energizing 2-minute Polishing Peel. Is a skin smoothing, energizing face polish infused with glycolic acid to gently exfoliate and brighten skin for a radiant complexion in only 2 minutes. Watermelon is packed with vitamins A, B, and C and antioxidants that are vital for the skin's health. Lychee and beet renews skin, while purple carrot leaves skin supple and hydrated. So you're supposed to let it sit on your face for 2 minutes. And you could use it every day. So I'm actually excited about this. I haven't tried too many items, or if anything, I don't think, from Pure Lease. I'm really excited about that as well. So that's everything that I've got in my box here. As you guys can see, that's it. So all in all, I'm super happy with this box. I'm super happy with FabFitFun. I love that you can pick 5 items if you're an annual subscriber. And I love the items that I picked, and even the other items that I didn't choose, I really like, except for the straws. This is probably the only thing that I just felt was kind of like a filler product. I'll be reviewing these products for you. Just let me know underneath what you want reviews on first. Love you guys so much. Stay safe and healthy. And please, if you have time, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you soon in my next video. I'll be posting more often.